In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact email to your Zillow account on desktop. By the end, you'll have your preferred email linked so you can receive alerts, updates, and verification messages without missing anything. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zillow.com. Log in with your existing account. Make sure you're on a trusted device and connected to a secure network, and keep in mind that you'll need access to the new email inbox later to verify the change. If you don't see the sign-in option right away, look for the profile icon in the top right corner, which usually indicates you're already signed in. Once you're in, click that profile icon at the top right. From the drop-down that appears, choose Account Settings. This is your main hub for updating personal information, security preferences, and notification details. If your window is small, some options may be tucked into a menu, but account settings should still be visible in the profile menu. Inside Account Settings, go to the Profile section. Sometimes this appears as a tile or a tab labeled Profile. This is where your contact information lives, including the email address that Zillow uses to reach you. It's a good idea to review what's currently listed so you know exactly what you're changing. Find the email field and click Edit next to it. This opens the area where you can make changes. Depending on layout updates, you might see it called Contact Email, but it serves the same purpose. Take a moment to scan for any on-screen notes about email format or account-related restrictions so you know what to expect. Now, type the new email address you want linked to your Zillow account. Then click Continue or Submit. Before you proceed, double-check for typos and make sure you're using an inbox you can access immediately. If the address is already in use on another Zillow account, you may be prompted to use a different one, so choosing a unique, active email is best. To finish, verify the change. Zillow may send a verification email to the new address. Open your inbox, look for Zillow's message, and follow the instructions in it to confirm. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder and give it a minute in case of delays. The message usually includes a link you'll need to click to complete the update. Once you confirm, return to your profile in Account Settings, and you should see the new email listed as your contact address. That's it. You've successfully added a contact email to your Zillow account on desktop, and you're set to receive important communications exactly where you want them.